Mic check 1 2. Licky licky. Got the old road. We're on the mic game. Come on. So today we are laying turf. Bloody great, mate. 106 turf rolls. Just handballed them off because they didn't have a hoist. Fantastic. Lovely. And we're going to be finishing this area here. There's a little bed going in here. So this area. And then the main area. And there's another little bed going in just where these two plants are. Just to cut them off. So there's a bit more bedding in there. We're going to be putting some naughty lines in there. Make it look like Wembley. Right there. We're going to be cleaning, basically just cleaning the whole project down. All the porcelain. Filling the stones in the corner. Cleaning down the pathway. All the copings. Clean down the driveway a little bit, just making it look rubber. We're back in the game. So the turfing around the back of the property is finito. Hang on a minute. Bloody hell, mate, we missed a bit. No. Oh shit, the door smashed. This is going to be a bed, so we're going to put some plants in there. So yeah, I didn't do it on purpose. Well, I did do it on purpose. So yeah, plants in this bit here. I need to put some nice soil in there actually, because it's a bit stony. Bit Steve Stone, mate. So nice little lines in this bit, which is good. And then, made a little makeshift sprinkler system. What do you think of that? It's good, isn't it? Thought of that all by myself. But yeah, these two sections are done. I've just got to do the front now. And the sunshine is unbelievable, Jeff. So, can't complain. Right back. Done that yet, mate? Come on. Got a video to do. Come on, buddy. That's it. Wet that bad boy up. Mic to the mouth, mic check, mic check. Right, so we've finished the turfing. That's the last thing to complete, which is done. Looking lush. All the porcelain's been finished. Put some nice black ice chippings in the corner. All the echo drains are done. We've done the rendering. We've done the copings on the top, which are looking pretty sweet. And then we have done, I mean, basically we've done everything because it looks sick. Yeah, all the fencing. Got the tegulars in for the driveway, which looks pretty good. They've actually got, it's a bit of a weird garden here, it's on the corner, so they've got a massive gate that's going to be installed. So we put the concrete plinth on there. Concrete foundation, which is going to have runners for the gate, so that's going to run all the way across, obviously, for the driveway. So yeah, that's going to be sorted soon. And then yeah, driveway, obviously the driveway's here. Going to have some bedding down here. That's going to be plants. Need to put some nice soil in there because it's a bit stony. And then back through here. This is a concrete shed base, currently being used as a storage unit. But yeah, there's going to be a shed on there soon. And then we also did the front. So I need to finish the copings here. Rendered all the walls. All the turfing's been done. Same similar design as the back, but basically at the front. Nice stepping stones, shingle in the middle, all equal distances, and then the turf on this side. El completo. Brother. The first project of the year this was, and it was absolutely Baltic, and they got us in because the previous builder had actually mucked up on the whole thing, so they had to kick them off. So they got the big dogs in, sort it out. And they left. There'll be a video of it. I'll put it up. But there's like materials everywhere. They've left all kinds of stuff here. It was mad. So yeah, basically pulled us in to sort it all out. I think we had about 2 muckaways come out of here, all piled up where the driveway is and where this turfing is. It was all massively piled up. 2 grab lorries took it all away. Done all the paving, all the turfing. Just literally just done it. The only thing that was still here was that wall that we just rendered and put the coping on top, and that fence. That's the only thing that we haven't done, basically. Hi there, mate. Everything else, yeah, we done it in when are we now? March. Yeah, it's 2.5 months, I'd say. But yeah, done and dusted. On to the next one.